If you want to remove people from photos on Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we're gonna go to the Photos app. Now in here, open the photo that we wish to edit. So I'm gonna go to Collections and I'm gonna choose this photo in here as an example. We're gonna use the Edit button at the bottom of the screen. Now you can go to Actions, for example, and you can use the Magic Eraser. I don't think there's anything related to people, so you can use the Magic Eraser in here, or you can try to select the area with the people that you want to get rid of. I have some people selected in here, so we can choose to erase just like that. We will get rid of these people in here. And there we go, we should be able to get the results in a couple of seconds. There we go. There's also this person in here, so I'm gonna select that person as well. And let's erase that person from the photo as well. And there will be one more person left. So we can also try to tap on that person instead of like drawing a shape. That works most of the time as well, pretty well. And after erasing everyone, if there's like some stuff left over, like for example over here there's like some things left, then we should be able to try to select that area. And hopefully I can actually select it properly. We can also deselect in case something is selected incorrectly. There we go, and now I'm gonna erase that too. So once you are done with erasing, we can tap on this check in the bottom right corner. And then we're gonna save as a copy. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.